Hello everyone, we are from Group 16. Today, we are excited to present our group project, which is development of basic web-based accounting application using AI-powered tool. This is our group members that consists of 5%. Objective and background. In today's digital era, many businesses are shifting from manual accounting to computer-based systems to improve accuracy and efficiency. However, not all users have accounting knowledge, which makes it important to create systems that are easy to use and understand. The first objective is to develop a user-friendly web-based accounting application. This enables users, including non-accountants, to manage and record accounting transactions efficiently. Second is to integrate a MySQL database. This ways for structured data storage to ensure proper relational integrity, normalization, and support for CRUD operation. Third is to utilize AI-powered tool. We know and learn that such as ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot to assist in system development, coding, and problem solving throughout the project.
In this section, I will talk about overview of our web-based accounting application, focusing on who it is built for, the problem it solves, the AI tools we use, and the key features we have implemented. Our application is designed primarily for non-accountants such as small business owner, freelancers, or committee treasurer who manage finances but don't have a background in accounting. We make sure the interface is intuitive, user-friendly, and avoids technical terms, so users can perform accounting tasks without being overwhelmed by complex terms or formats. One major issue faced by non-accountants is recording transactions correctly. Our system simplifies this with guided forms and real-time validation. Another common problem is the lack of clear financial reports. Many small organizations rely on manual records, which are error-prone and time-consuming. Our application solves this by automating key reports such as the trial balance and profit and loss statement. Finally, users often struggle with keeping financial data organized. By integrating with a MySQL database, our system ensures that the data is stored securely and consistently with proper structure and relationships. To help us develop the system efficiently, we use ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. These tools allow us to focus more on users' experience and functionality rather than spending time solving syntax issues. Data entry form and reports that has been implemented in the web are accounts, journal, ledgers, trial balance, statement of profit and loss, statement of financial position, customer invoice entry, salary entry, and supplier payment entry.
Hello, my name is Siti Nomaisara binti Muhammad Zaman and my message number is 822800925. I would like to present about system design explanation. Our system uses a traditional web-based architecture. From the front end, we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to design responsive interface that user-friendly, especially for non-accountant. On the back end, we use PHP to enter system logic and communicate it with the MySQL database. We also use AI tools like ChatGPT to troubleshoot logic errors and GitHub Copilot to assist with code generation. All modules are connected through a navigation menu and follow a basic MVC concept. Also, the separating user interface, logic, and database interaction for better structure. Next, our database schema designed using MySQL. The core table include 1 user to store user information and access level, 2 account to define chart of account, 3 journal entries and invoice for recording financial data and transaction linked to both journals and invoice. Lastly, there is a simplified system flow. From the dashboard, user can choose to enter new transaction, view report, or manage account. We implemented CRUD functionality across all models.
In this session, I would like to share our group slide demonstration. This live demonstration highlights the core features of our system and how it delivers practical value in real time. So let's watch the demonstration.
Here is the main dashboard of our web page system. We have icon of accounts, journal entries, ledger, financial position, profit or loss, trial balance, customer invoice, salary entry system, and supplier payment entry system. At the top, we also have easy-to-use navigation buttons that let you switch between functions instantly. Let's start with accounts, where we need to key in basic accounting data like assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. We have also applied basic CRUD operations in the system. Next, this is the journal entries where users can record accounting transactions manually. This is a recent transaction that has been made. Once submitted, the journal entry is posted to the ledger and reflected in financial reports. The ledger function shows detailed transactions for each account. It's where every journal entry gets posted and grouped by accounts. In trial balance, it ensures that total debit and credit are the same and accurate. This helps put any entry errors before preparing final reports. Next is the SOPL. It shows business transactions over a period of time. It helps assess whether the business made a profit or a loss. In SOFP, it is also known as the balance sheet. It shows the company's financial position at a specific date, including assets, liabilities, and the owner's equity. The customer invoice function lets you create and record sales invoice. It captures revenue and tracks how much customers owe, which updates your accounts receivable and income reports automatically. The salary entry function is used to record monthly salary payments to employees. It calculates net salary and updates both expenses and liabilities in the system. Last but not least, we have the supplier payment function. It can record payments made to suppliers for goods or service. It helps reduce outstanding payables and keeps track of cash outflows properly. All the data entered into the system is saved into a PHP-MyAdmin database, which can be accessed by the server in real time. This ensures all your financial records are stored securely and consistently updated across reports. So that is our full system demonstration.
We encountered several challenges during the development of our web-based accounting system. Here are 3 key issues and how we address them using Visual Studio Code and GitHub Copilot. The first one is debt and credit validation. Initially, our journal entry from did not prevent unbalanced transaction, which is a critical flaw in accounting system. To resolve this, we implemented real-time validation using JavaScript, cited by GitHub Copilot. The form now calculates total automatically, display visual indicator and blocks submission if the debit and credit total do not match. The second one is CRUD operation error. We also face issue with CRUD functionality where some data was not being saved or updated correctly. Using the built-in debugging tool in Visual Studio Code and the MySQL error function, we identify logic errors in our PHP script. Copilot then helped refine the code, resulting in fully functional create, read, update, and delete operation. The third one is user interface design. Lastly, the initial user interface lacked clarity and was not intuitive for non-accountant user. We addressed this by redesigning the layout using Bootstrap and custom CSS in Visual Studio Code. Enhancements such as icon-based navigation, consistent styling, and clearer form layout significantly improve usability. Overcoming this challenge strengthened our understanding of both technical development and user-centered design and demonstrate the practical benefit of using AI tools like GitHub Copilot through the process.
In conclusion, our project successfully combined accounting knowledge and digital technology to create a basic yet functional accounting system that is user-friendly and AI-assisted. We believe this project has helped us better understand how digital tools can support real accounting tasks and improve efficiency for both accountant and non-accountant. Thank you for your time and attention. We hope you found our presentation insightful. Thank you.